Assuming that you only have $100 or less, and you want to learn how to trade, and you want to have a career in trading where you can start making money and have long-term success. In today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a step-by-step what I would do if I want to start trading, but I only have $100 in my bank account. So here's what I would do. First, and the most important thing about you want to start trading is you should have to learn. Knowledge is key. If you don't know how to trade, any sort of trade you take, you are just going to lose your money. So for me to learn how to trade, obviously I only have $100, so I'm not gonna pay for an expensive mentorship or even pay for any sort of mentorship at all. So what I'm gonna do is you can go to YouTube and learn how to trade. And here are some of the strategy I'm gonna be looking. If I'm, let's say, a beginner, I don't have any knowledge at all, I'm first gonna learn how to use MT5 because I don't want to just deposit money and then lose it because I don't know how lot size work, right? So you learn how to use MT5, you learn how to use TradingView, and then you get a broker, right? So once you have a broker and then you know how to use MT5, you know how to use TradingView, and just try to play around with it. Just try to understand how to use those tools. Once you know how to use those tools, which you can learn them just on YouTube, the next thing is you want to learn a strategy that you can use to trade. And for the strategy, you can still learn it on YouTube. Because if you only have $100, you don't want to go and buy a mentorship for $100 or more because you only have that money. If you used to buy a mentorship, then you wouldn't have any more money to continue trading, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to learn how to trade on YouTube. You can search for maybe ICT videos or maybe some liquidity videos on YouTube. Just learn a strategy. You can learn from me on my YouTube. You can learn from any other trader, but you only have to go and learn how to trade on YouTube. Once you learn how to trade on YouTube, don't deposit money and directly start trading. What I would advise you to do is take a demo account, right? Create a, let's say, a $10,000 demo account and try to trade that strategy you've learned on the demo account. Try to back test on the demo account. Try to just forward test that strategy on demo account. If you can see result on the demo, then you can now think of going live, right? So if you see result consistent, maybe you start making maybe 5% a month, or let's say 1% a week, 2% a week, risking maybe 0.5, 0.25, then you can now start going live account. But when you want to start going live, for $100, you are not gonna turn $100 to $1,000 or to $2,000 as a beginner. I can guarantee you that it's not easy. So what I am going to do is I'm going to buy a prop firm account, right? For a $5,000 prop firm account, it costs less than $40, or even for a $10,000 account, it's going to cost me less than $100. You can buy a $10,000 account from Fundednext for about $59, which is less than $100 we have as initial balance. But I'm not gonna buy a $10,000 account. It's too early. What we are going to do is we are going to buy a $5,000 account. From your $100, you can buy well over 5K account, right? So if you buy all of those accounts, you don't buy all the account. You just buy one of the account. You try to you give it a try. You try to follow your trading plan. You follow your trading strategy on that 5K account you bought. And if you are actually good enough, you should be able to, let's say, make $100, $200, or $500 payout. If you get to pass and then get a payout, then you get that payout. Once you do get the payout, then you can now start buying a big account. Let's say 10K account, 50K account, 100K account. Yeah, this is how you can grow from a small account to a big account just as a beginner. And I'm gonna give you guys an example. I'm gonna give you an example. Me, when I started trading in 2021, I started on demo, right? And when I wanted to go live, I bought a 5K account from a prop firm. And then luckily, I don't know how, I was able to pass my first account I bought. So it's all to say that buying a small account is way better than you trying to trade personal account, because $100 as a beginner, you're obviously going to blow that $100. But if you buy a 5K, you can now apply a strict risk management and try to grow and start making some money. And I think this is some of the steps you can follow to start making money from Forex trading. And as a profile you want to get to start trading, I would advise you to go with Fundednext, because Fundednext pays you 15% profit share you make on the challenge phases. Assuming as a beginner trader, I'm able to make 8% to pass phase 1 and let's say 5% to pass phase 2, and I get the live account, I'm able to, let's say, get the payout on the live account. It will be really nice if the profile pays me some of the profit I've made on the challenge phases, because that's like a plus for me. So I hope that makes sense. So first, you should learn how to use the trading tool, let's say MT5, TradingView, and then learn how to trade correctly using those tools, and then try to demo it. Once you see some result, just buy an account from a prop firm like Fundednext and start trading and hopefully you can pass and start making some money. So this is the most minimal way, like the minimal risk of learning how to trade, right? And again, if you had more than $1,000, instead of you going to learn on YouTube, you can learn from a mentorship, right? You can learn from a mentor that you know has a proven record of, let's say, getting paid from the market. That would be really, really nice. So if you are looking for a mentorship to start trading, make sure you check out the link below this video to join my mentorship. But if you only had $100, as I said here, just go on YouTube and start learning from YouTube. And then if you want to trade with Fundednext, make sure you use the coupon code ASUSFX to give you 105% refund on your challenge fee when you get the payout. And if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you guys on my next video.